Think you're good at Block Blast? Let's see how you measure up to the ultimate champion. Block Blast is a simple yet addictive puzzle game where you strategically place blocks to clear lines and earn points. The core objective is to survive as long as possible and rack up the highest score. You get points for each line you clear, with bonus points awarded for clearing multiple lines at once, known as combos. Efficiency is key to maximizing your score. So, what score are we aiming for? As of today, the current Block Blast world record sits at an astounding 99,999. Yes, that's the highest score the game tracks. Once a player hits this score, the game has no method of tracking a higher number. Ready to challenge for the top spot? Practice makes perfect. Study block placement, plan your moves, and aim for those massive combos. Focus on clearing lines efficiently and creating space for future blocks. Look for opportunities to clear multiple lines simultaneously for massive point boosts. So, download Block Blast today. Do you have what it takes to join the elite ranks of Block Blast Masters? Let us know your high score in the comments below, and good luck.